Welcome to the Weather Centre on Thursday, where a few thundershowers from Wednesday night remain over the northeastern parts on Thursday morning. We're expecting a large area of isolated thundershowers across South Africa, and that affects mainly the central, northeastern and eastern parts. Warmer temperatures are expected for the Eastern Cape, with a bit of cloud over the western and southern part of South Africa. It'll be a cooler day over the southwestern parts, and that's mainly due to an approaching cold front. There's a high fire danger warning over the western half of South Africa, with runaway fires possible in the shade of red, and there's a watch of the possibility of severe thunderstorm developments over the eastern interior of the Eastern Cape. Here's our rainfall probability map showing that large area of isolated thundershowers extending across South Africa. It extends from Namibia and Botswana through the northwest, Gauteng, Mpumalanga, the Free State and KwaZulu-Natal, extending all the way through to the Eastern Cape coastline. We're forecasting a maximum temperature of 32 degrees for Polokwane and Pretoria, as well as Mahikeng and Potchefstroom, 34 degrees for Bombela, Johannesburg at 30 degrees. Slightly cooler as we head towards the Free State, but with a hot day for KwaZulu-Natal, with highs in the low and middle 30s. You'll also see much warmer weather over the interior part of the Eastern Cape, Umtata at 37. 36 for Richards Bay, with a northeasterly wind all the way through to East London. A high of 25 for Port Elizabeth with a fresh southwesterly wind, and we're expecting a 1 metre northeasterly swell along the east coast. We head into the upper 30s with a sizzling hot afternoon for Graaff-Reinet and Somerset East. Still hot over the Western Cape interior with highs in the low and middle 30s. 23 for Muizenberg and Hermanus with a fresh northwesterly wind. A strong westerly wind is forecast for Cape Agulhas, with more of a southerly to southwesterly wind, with highs in the mid-20s along the coast between Mossel Bay and Jeffreys Bay, with a 1.5 metre southwesterly swell at 12 seconds. We head into the upper 30s for Uppington and Prieska, around 30 degrees for Calvinia and Springbok. Alexander Bay can expect a fresh southerly wind on Thursday, with a southwester for Lambert's Bay, a westerly wind for Langebaan, both in the mid-20s, and a west-northwesterly wind for Cape Town at 23 degrees, with a 2 metre southwesterly swell at 12 seconds along the west coast. We're forecasting hot temperatures and thundershowers over the eastern half of South Africa on Friday, with a possibility of rainfall and cooler weather along the coast from George through to East London. Cape Town can also expect some morning rain with a high of 21 degrees. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Thursday.